Hi, my name is Esteban Martinez, and today I want to talk about one of the most overlooked settings within Google Ads, and that is the language setting. So whilst most people generally think that if your search ads, your website and your keywords are in English, then by default people would generally select the English language, which makes sense until you recognise how Google's system actually works. Now, for people who are searching on google.com, the default language there is English. However, if someone is searching, say, for google.fr, that's where it would then turns into French in terms of the search results. So the best way to get the best results is initially just select whatever your core language is, and then once you have enough data, you can then look to expand that out in Google Analytics to target other languages that your consumers might be using. So say, for example, you're in Canada. Some speakers there speak English as well as French and more. So what we can do is select both English and French, and you need to be mindful that Google will not translate your ads. Google will only show it in the language which your search ad copy has been created in. So if you do have a website that has multiple languages, then you'll need to have campaigns that have the same messages and the same keywords but translated into English and French in the example of Canada. Also, you need to be mindful that if someone is searching in a second language or a language which isn't English, then the language and the adverts that they show will be the same. So if they are searching on google.fr, then everything that they type in will need to be shown in French, and at the same time, if you search for google.com, it needs to be in English as well. What's important is that you test and learn to find out what works for you, and by looking at Google Analytics you can see those who are transacting, engaging and buying online, what are the languages in the setting, because that isn't just the language they speak, it's the language within the browser which they're using, and then you can then also make sure that you're not wasting any money on terms which might be getting traction and clicks but very little sales. So always check your data before making decisions, and from there you'll be able to increase your sales and revenue on Google Ads. My name is Esteban. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you, and check out the next video. Thanks.